Hey everybody. So why am I showing you this rather sad looking plant? This plant I've had for nearly 2 years, year and 6 months, and as you can see, it looks terrible. This plant is a spatulata by Morelliana. It will have enormous pitchers on it. I mean, it will probably rival some of the biggest nepenthes in the nepenthes family. Unfortunately, this plant was root rot. I gave it too much water, and it was just about to die. And luckily, and somehow, it's only one of 2 plants I've been able to do this to. I repotted it. I used a, which this is going to sound counterintuitive, but I used a peat moss base, and I kept the moss, peat moss, and I purposely kept the moss dry when I planted it. Didn't know if that would work, but it soaked up all the soil out of the roots, and I don't know if that's scientific or not, but it seems to have worked. It saved 2 plants that were just didn't have enough holes in the pots, and they had too much water. So lesson learned, you live and learn. But because it was stressed, it did grow 2 new basil shoots, which is awesome. And for the first time since I've owned this plant in almost 2 years, it has pitchered for me. And it is nothing to write home about. It is an itty bitty pitcher, maybe 1.5 inches long. But that is such a great sign that this plant is finally feeling happy in its home after a very long journey of basically just clinging to life. So that brings me to a topic of, it doesn't matter how long you grow these plants, you will have wins and losses. These plants, I had not been overwatering in particular, but they just happened to be in a corner, and they just happened to not have enough holes. And by the time I caught it, it was a little late. So have grace for yourself on that, and understand that that thing will happen. It doesn't matter how many times you've done this. There is a very good sweet spot. Some of the hybrids are more hardy than others, but exciting news. It doesn't look like much, but that little tiny pitcher there, if this thing stays healthy and continues to grow, those pitchers will be easily 13, 14, 15, 16 inches long and enormous, and with, again, probably will rival some of the largest in the nepenthes family. All right, y'all, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.